Good morning. I'm Dr. Satya Jagannathan. I'm the Professor of Pediatrics of Chengalpattu Medical College. My heartfelt thanks to ATMA, American Tamil Medical Association, for helping our medical college to tide over the crisis during the COVID times. Actually, I was also trained in United States. I got trained in Johns Hopkins University in the Department of Maternal Child Health. And then I came back to India and settled in Chengalpattu Medical College. And for the past 2 decades, I have been working here. And this hospital is doing enormous service to the poor people from all stratum of the society. Especially during the first and the second wave of COVID, we have treated more than 26,000 COVID patients, and all of them were given free treatment and free lodging and free food, and all of them were cared well, and they are discharged from our hospital. And not only general COVID patients, we have a very big perinatal care unit. And here we have more than 13,000 deliveries per year. And during the COVID times, nearly 700 mothers who were COVID positive were admitted here, and they were treated and they delivered the babies, and they were treated by the obstetric and the neonatal team, and they went home well. And we also have a pediatric patient ward where we have a pediatric COVID care ward where more than 220 pediatric cases were treated. And currently we are dealing with messy cases, and for the past 1 month we are getting mucormycosis cases, and nearly 40 patients of them were treated at our medical college. And we thank ATMA for helping us in providing amphotericin vials which will be used to treat the mucormycosis cases. And currently our hospital is keen on developing and strengthening the system to tackle the third wave if it happens. So we have already established oxygen generators, and also we are training the doctors and nurses of this hospital as well as various district hospitals and the primary health centers to tackle the third wave, to refer them properly. And since we expect there can be a pediatric surge, our team is more involved in preparing the pediatric ward for the third wave. And I thank Einstein Arunachalam, who is the president of ATMA, and Kabilan Dharmarajan, who is the governor of ATMA, for collaborating with Chengalpattu Medical College and helping us to take care of the COVID patients. So we humbly request you to extend your valuable support to our hospital, and we thank on behalf of the doctors, nurses, CRRAs, the postgraduates and the patients of this hospital. And the patients not only from Chengalpattu district, this is one of the main referral center for 4 districts, namely Kanchipuram, Viluppuram, Thiruvannamalai. So this is a big referral center. And your contribution has really helped our hospital, and we thank you immensely. Thank you very much.